I once read this advice to all married men. If you value your health and you want to live long and have a happy home, let your wife always win an argument. Trust me, it's the shortcut I know to peace of mind. Where there is no fuel, the fire goes out. Stop trying to figure out your wife or understand why she does what she does. It's a waste of precious time. Remember that you, Adam, was put to sleep while she, Eve, was being produced. How can you try to understand a piece of equipment that wasn't assembled in your presence? Marriage is about acceptance, not tolerance. Make your marriage relationship-driven, not performance-driven. She was not created in your image. Stop projecting you onto her. Show her the need for change through leadership, not coercion. While a man is rational, the woman is emotional. The man processes via his head, which is logic, and the other processes things through her heart, or we call emotions. One thinks things through, the other feels her way through things. Facts drive you, intuition drives her. What she can feel, she doesn't see. When sex becomes a weapon, a duty, or an entitlement, it loses its very essence, which is love-making. It simply becomes another chore like dishwashing, which nobody looks forward to doing, right? Play with her, flirt with her, serenade her, hug, cuddle, hold hands, surprise her, blow gently into her ears while she is cooking or while you are watching a movie together. Be spontaneous, being a King Kong overlord in Seo's room and popping and panting like a worn-up locomotive while she wonders what just happened can only lead to prostration. Remember, it is never about the size of the weapon, but the fury of the attack. Decode that, man. Go out often. Make regular and scheduled date nights. Take a bath together. Make room for movie nights together either at home or at the cinema. Remember that only the two of you started the journey together, and when the children